You ready? Let's do this.
Fox 702 Lima Uniform, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 702 Lima Uniform. I want running, can you tell? It's turned on. Never set. Everything's normal. Their speed's alive. Take. Bono Tower, Skyhawk 702 Lima Uniform with you on the VOR for runway 34.
Skyhawk 702 Lima Uniform, Roanoke Tower, wind 280 at 4, runway 34, clear for the option. After the option, turn left heading 250, climb and maintain 5,000.
Well, I've got a plan in the palm of my hand to keep me rolling. I know. Well, I've got a plan in the palm of my hand to keep me rolling. I know. Well, I've got a plan in the palm of my hand to keep me rolling. I know. Well, I've got a plan in the palm of my hand to keep me rolling.
Skyhawk 702 Lima Uniform, Lexington Tower, wind 330 at 7, runway 4, clear to land.
Clear to land 4, 702 Lima Uniform.
Cessna 2 Lima Uniform, fly the Air Devil departure, turn left heading 090, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Fly Air Devil departure, left heading 090, cleared for departure, 702 Lima Uniform.
Yeah, there we go.
Other
Your
side
noise
to each other.
cancellation wasn't on.
Hey, we're gonna isolate you guys, okay? So you guys can pitch chat.
Yeah, if you need anything, just tap us on the shoulder.
Okay.
Alright, I know you guys are gonna regret this later, but this is the button that all men wish we had with women.
I've got excitement spilling right over my tongue. We're in a new place, you had to bring me along. Yeah, I've got it real good, somewhere where
I'm gonna cancel it for a little bit. You still have hiccups?
Yes, don't you do anything. No! Ah! Alex Christian! I knew you were playing at something, you turkey. Y'all get bread and water the next time you come home. I knew you were going to do it. Did you not know? I knew he was. I totally knew he was going to do it. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, though. That's it. Last time.
That's it, I'm sorry. Alright.
I knew you were going to do that. Was he recording that? Probably. Something. No, I don't think so.
Oh, we did it.
I knew you were going. That's why you isolated yourself, you little poopy faces. You suck.
Skyhawk 702 Lima Uniform, runway 4. Wind just out of the northwest and calm, clear to land.
Clear to land 4702 Lima Uniform. Welcome to Lynchburg.